What is going on, you guys? I hope you're having a great day. I am officially unveiling my new apartment, and so I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of my new apartment and where I'll be living for at least the next year or so. And so let's go ahead and check it out. So first of all, this is the kitchen area. It's a pretty open concept in here, and the kitchen moves right into the living area and the living room. And so it's got a nice looking island. I'll give you guys a closer up shot of the kitchen in a little bit, but it's just a 1-bedroom apartment. And the older I'm getting, the more I'm finding that less is more. And that's definitely the case with an apartment as well. Is the less space that you have, the more efficiently you use that space. And even just furnishing, it doesn't cost you as much to have to furnish a gigantic house or apartment. And then this is pretty much the couch that I ordered. I got kind of a cool looking abstract area rug that I found on Amazon. It's not exactly what I thought it would be, but it looks pretty cool. Most of the furnishing is from Wayfair, Amazon, a little bit from Pier 1, and then I have a bookcase over there, a little chair that I got, and a tripod lamp I thought was pretty cool looking. And then obviously as well, I have that balcony off the back here with a view of just kind of the city street. So I'll bring you guys out there in a second. It's usually a little bit windy, but we'll make our way out there in a little bit. This right here is Command Central for me, where I'm doing my editing. I do some recording here as well, depending on what the video is. And so again, that's kind of a cool glass desk that I just found on Wayfair. I thought that kind of fit the modern design here. And then of course my gaming computer. I don't do any gaming with it. I just find that works well for editing. And then TV-wise, I'm not a huge fan of television. Honestly, most of the time I'm just watching YouTube. And so I didn't go crazy with a TV. That's just like a 50-inch 4K TV I picked up from Walmart. I didn't want to go overboard with the TV just because I'm not really going to use it that much. But I like the fact that they ram the holes for you. That way you can run your cords through and not have to have any cords dangling down from your TV. So it gives it a more crisp look without all those wires hanging down. Although I do have a mess of wires behind my computer desk. At some point I might get some zip ties and tidy that up a little bit. But nice clean setup here, keep it simple. And so that's the television / living area. And I do apologize for the wind if it's windy out here. I tried recording out here earlier. At night it's a lot better when there's less wind, but I'm on the 5th floor of this building. And so this across the way is going to be just office buildings, and then down that way is just the city. And I'm actually living near Schenectady, New York. A lot of people were wondering if I was in New York City, but I'm in Schenectady. And so this across the way is just going to be office buildings, and I believe this over here is going to be office buildings as well. And then of course all of the ground floor is going to be shopping, retail, restaurants, and whatnot. But the building right now is actually about 50% occupied, so I'm still one of the earlier people getting in. But I'm very happy with it so far. And then over here in this box is another project I'm going to be working on. This is going to be a raised bed. In the morning, I do get some sun out here. There's not too much right now, but I'm going to do like a 2x4 raised bed and grow some herbs and maybe some vegetables out here or some flowers. And then this is just the outdoor seating that I have. Again, I picked these up on Wayfair, and I didn't go too crazy out here because I also have, as part of this community, I have an outdoor patio with a gigantic fire pit. And so if I want to be outdoors, most of the time I'm going to be out at that fire pit. And I'm not going to show you guys that in this video because I put all that on my Instagram story. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me now. And check out that story because it shows you pictures of both the fire pits, the boat docks, because I'm right on the water. It shows the private gym as well as the community room and just the other different amenities that this building has. And then of course it wouldn't be a complete apartment without that knowledge. I got my ladder bookshelf there. Again, something that came from Wayfair. This is like a very small amount of the books I have because I wanted to put some decorative items on there as well. So I'm still storing a lot of books at my mom's house. But a lot of the ones that I'm referencing frequently, I'm going to be keeping here. And I also, the first video I did was right in that chair with this kind of cool tripod lamp in the city or the building in the background. And I think that was kind of a cool shot for a video. So that might be one area that I utilize when making my videos. And then over here I got the whiteboard going on again here. I haven't had a big full-size whiteboard since my original setup like a year ago, but I wanted to have a whiteboard for doing my videos for stock radar. And so this is a video, I'm working on the first 2 parts here. I know there's a glare with those lamps, but this is the first 2 parts for stock radar on that course I'm doing on Bear Market Investing 101. And then obviously here is the kitchen island. I picked up those stools just from Target, and honestly a lot of these decorations are from Target as well. It came with these pendant lamps that drop down. Those are pretty nice looking. All the appliances were included. Kitchen, pretty basic, nothing crazy going on there. Stainless steel appliances. The one big plus for this building though is that fiber internet, cable, gym, all included. So you don't have to pay for any of that. And so I have like ridiculous internet speeds here. I did a speed test and I had like 200 up, 200 down megabytes per second. So as far as uploading goes, I am a happy camper. And then this was something kind of cool I found at Target here where I can put up messages and kind of quotes and whatnot, inspirational messages. My girlfriend actually said she's going to change that once a week. It's kind of a pain to get in there and change those letters, but I don't know, it seemed kind of cool for a motivational message and for some posts on Instagram and whatnot, so I got that. I have some other artwork here. Like I said, most of this is, believe it or not, from Target. They had pretty nice stuff there. And then this big painting up on the wall here, that was from Marshall's, I believe. It was either Marshall's or it was Pier 1. I can't remember off the top of my head. And then moving through here, this is the bedroom. Again, another piece of artwork there. That one was definitely from Pier 1. But a pretty spacious bedroom. Got a little corner chair with the lamp that reminds me of the Pixar lamp. And then this window in here unfortunately doesn't open, so I had to get an oscillating fan. And then again, just a small TV in here if you want to watch TV at night or something like that. But I'm not really a huge TV person, so I don't go crazy with the TVs. And then right behind me is the walk-through closet. And so I actually have a Tesla flag that I had bought when I was visiting Whiteboard Finance, and we went to this auto convention and I picked up this Tesla flag. I thought it would look kind of cool in here. Just got my dresser, clothes and whatnot hanging here. And then right in through here is the bathroom, and that is pretty much the final part of this. Bathroom is nice. The whole apartment is pretty much gray colors just because that's nice and modern looking. So, and then back out through this door here leads you to the kitchen and whatnot again. And then behind here is the washer and dryer. And in case you're curious what the washer and dryer looks like, I got top-down, high efficiency. That's a really nice perk because a lot of apartments you don't have laundry, and so you got to go to the laundromat and whatnot. So that was one of the things that I was absolutely looking for, was laundry included, just because I'm not a fan of carting my laundry to a laundromat. Technology-wise, I don't have anything too crazy here. I do have my Alexa show, and that is tied in over here with my Sonos player that I have on my entertainment stand. But that's pretty much as far as it goes technology-wise, other than my TV and my computer. Not really, you know, crazy about other stuff. As long as I have my music, quality music player, good editing computer, and a decent TV, I'm a happy camper. But anyways, guys, that wraps up this quick tour of my apartment. Let me know what you guys think of it down in the comment section below. And I'm also curious, what do you guys think this costs for rent? I'm going to be doing a whole analysis of this over in Stock Radar as a bonus video, talking about, is this a financial mistake? Does it make sense for me financially to be renting in this position? And I'm going to go through the numbers of exactly what I'm paying for rent and everything like that, and going over the true cost of this. But I'm just curious what you guys think the rent is for this, just based on what it looks like. And did you expect that I would live in a nicer place or a worse place? I'm just always curious to hear about that. But yeah, if you guys want to see the fire pits, the river, the outdoor amphitheater and things like that, I am going to be putting all of that on my Snapchat, so make sure you guys do follow me over there. But thank you so much for being patient with me during the move. I wasn't able to upload too frequently, but we'll be back to normal here pretty soon. But thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.